Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The Orico 2-bay offline clone hard drive docking station is a versatile device that functions as both an external hard drive enclosure and a standalone disk duplicator. It's designed to be a simple, tool-free solution for data backup and transfer. Orico 2-bay offline clone hard drive docking station is a versatile device that can be used to read and write to two hard drives simultaneously or to clone a hard drive without a computer. Key features and specifications: offline clone function. This is the primary feature that distinguishes it from a standard docking station. The device can clone a source drive to a target drive without needing to be connected to a computer. Dual bay design. It accommodates two drives simultaneously, with support for both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA I, 2 or 3 HDDs and SSDs. High capacity. Many models support a significant total capacity, with some versions handling up to 36 terabytes or even 40 terabytes. 18 terabytes or 20 terabytes per bay. Connectivity. It typically uses a superspeed USB 3.0 or USB-C interface, offering data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second or 10 gigabits per second, respectively. This is a substantial improvement over USB 2.0. Plug and play. The device is generally plug and play, meaning it doesn't require any special drivers to be installed on a computer. It's compatible with major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Tool-free installation. Drives can be easily inserted and removed without the need for screws or tools. Safety features. Many models include a multi-safety security system that protects against overvoltage, overheating, leakage current, and short circuits. How to use the offline clone function. To learn the offline clone function, please follow next tutorial video how to use the offline clone Orico 2-bay offline clone hard drive docking station on next video release. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.